In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for recruitment. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create button, click it, and then choose Create New Board. For the board title, enter Recruitment Pipeline. This board will act as your hiring dashboard, giving you a clear visual way to track every candidate from application to final decision. Next, you'll set up the workflow using lists. Click Add Another List, type Applicants, and press Enter. This is where new candidates will first appear. Click Add Another List again, type Phone Screen, and press Enter. Repeat that process to create Interview, then Offer, then Hired, and finally Rejected. By the time you finish, you'll have a complete recruitment pipeline laid out from left to right, making it easy to see where each applicant stands at a glance. Now it's time to add a candidate. Under the Applicants list, click Add a Card. Enter the candidate's name, then click Add Card. Each card represents one person in your hiring process. Click on the card to open it and add more detail. Inside the card, add labels to categorize the candidate by things like role, priority, or department. Labels make sorting and scanning your board much faster, especially when you're hiring for multiple positions at once. After that, add a checklist for the application steps. For example, you can include items like resume review and reference check. This helps you keep track of what's been completed without needing separate notes or spreadsheets. You can also add due dates for follow-up deadlines, which is useful for staying on top of interviews, callbacks, and decision timelines. With checklists and due dates in place, each card becomes a mini hiring record that's simple to manage. As candidates move through your process, drag their cards between lists. Move someone from Applicants to Phone Screen when you schedule or complete an initial call. Then drag them to Interview if they move forward, to Offer if they're selected, to Hired once they accept, or to Rejected if they are no longer being considered. This drag and drop system is what makes Trello so useful for recruitment, because it gives you an instant view of progress without extra complexity. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once your board is working, the key is consistency. Keep candidate cards updated as soon as something changes so your pipeline always reflects the current status. That way, whether you're hiring alone or working with a team, everyone can quickly understand what's happening. And that's it, you've successfully set up Trello for recruitment. Congratulations!